Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around tour of our 2017 BMW M140i Shadow Edition we have new in stock. I'm just going to walk you through some of the optional bespoke and standard features on this particular vehicle. To begin with, on the exterior of the car you've got the Alpine white paintwork, which is a gloss non-metallic finish. You've got the standard M140i Shadow Edition exterior trim inserts with the Ferric grey look on the front bumper attachments and the door mirrors. You've got the gloss black kidney grills, the M Aerodynamic body styling package, the 18-inch style 536 alloy wheels painted in dark grey, and then full privacy glass. On the rear of the vehicle you can see the M Performance tailpipe finishers in chrome. These and the privacy glass being the added optional bespoke features on the car. The interior, you've got full leather. You've got your leather wrapped multi-function steering wheel with access to your cruise control functions, leather wrapped handbrake, gear gaiter and leather wrapped centre console armrest area. You've got infotainment controls on the centre console area with your standard trim finishes around. Your optional sport automatic transmission is an added optional feature with your drive selector here on the centre console. You've got your climate control functions with your optional heated seats either side accessible. And then on the centre screen you've got access to some of your in-car features such as your DAB radio. You've got Apple CarPlay as an added optional inclusion, and you've also got your reversing assist camera as an added optional feature. Some more of your standard features include the Estoril blue trim along the dashboard and the Harman & Kardon surround speaker system with the speakers visible on the door cards. If you would like any more information, would like to book a viewing or a test drive on this 2017 BMW M140i Shadow Edition, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire for our website.